Hi guys, welcome back to What the Bake. This week is an extra special week. We are making Funfetti Cupcakes. Now these cupcakes are really special. I made them for the students that I was teaching this year. Hi for A, hi for B. Now Funfetti Cupcakes look delicious, they taste delicious, and they're so easy to make. You just add sprinkles into the batter. Let's check it out. First, we're going to beat the butter until it is light and creamy. And then we add the sugar. Next, we add the flour, egg, and vanilla. Lastly, we add a little bit of milk. It wouldn't be a Funfetti cupcake without some sprinkles. Fill your pan with cupcake liners and then fill them about 2/3 of the way. Bake in the oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. For the icing, we will first start by whisking the butter. When it is light and creamy, we can add the icing sugar. Now add the vanilla, food coloring, and a little bit of milk. Is it obvious that I love this color? To decorate my cupcake, I used a Wilton 2D drop flour tip. And for a final touch, let's add some more sprinkles. Ta-da! If you like my Funfetti cupcake, give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.